Welcome to Home Orchestration. During the winter season, we need winter accessories to keep ourselves warm. It is always good to keep all the winter accessories on the entryway so that we can avoid a rush in search of our accessories while going out. We have kept a drawer that will fit correctly under our coat hanger. Let us see how we have arranged our accessories on the entryway. We are keeping our frequently used winter hats together in one place. I'm not using this white winter hat frequently. This will be kept in my wardrobe. I'm keeping extra mittens and gloves for kids as they sometimes forget to bring one from school. So it's always good to keep an extra pair to avoid a rush during school time. Now, to keep everything organized inside the drawer, it is always good to use baskets or storage boxes. My husband's and my gloves, along with my elder son's gloves, are kept separately. My black gloves are used occasionally, which I keep in my wardrobe along with my white winter hat. Now let's arrange the winter hats in a storage box. It will be a good practice to keep frequently used items together. I have some extra space in the box that can be utilized by keeping our gloves. I use this black line scarf occasionally, so this is also kept in my wardrobe. The remaining scarves are used frequently, which can be stored using a storage box. These are the accessories which my kids use to cover their neck while cycling, which is also kept on the entryway. In a small box, I have arranged the accessories used while cycling, followed by the box with hats and gloves. Disposable gloves and mask are kept on the entryway, which is required while going shopping during this time. We have fixed wall-mounted coat hanger for kids separately based on their height so that they can hang their jackets by themselves. Thin jackets are not used now. They can be kept inside the drawer to save space. Folding the jackets with a hood as a cover will save some space. Make sure not to overcrowd with stuff, or else it will be difficult for the kids to keep it back in place. I hope this video would have motivated you for organizing your winter accessories. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.